Okay, so you're holding this camera in my face, but we're on our way to Gate 6 of Road America to set up today and pick up a few things on the way. So, Ethan, you can stop holding it to my face.
Right.
Turn the camera around.
I think it's a great angle.
It's like, he just wants to hold it right at my face. Like, you also pick up my worst side. If you want my best side, you have to bring the camera over here.
Oh, do you want me to?
No, no,
here,
no, no, we don't want to do that now. We get to see how bad my driving is.
Yeah, Miniac exposed. Oh, oh. Man, whoa. Keep that in.
At the light, use the right lane to merge onto I-41.
You can flip the camera around outside if you want.
Oh, can it see through the...
You can see through the, well, the window's kind of smudgy.
Yeah.
So really, you really can't. Just make sure you do not drop that camera because that's my best camera.
I'll drop it. That is Fond du Lac right there.
Mm-hmm.
Miniac takes a roundabout.
Miniac takes a roundabout. Oh, look, it's Caddyshack.
For 21 miles, continue straight.
That's Zach's favorite place.
It's not my favorite place.
He
Never
was
been there.
dreaming about that last night.
Actually, I was. No, actually, I wasn't. I don't remember what I was dreaming about.
me.
No. Okay, so neither of us have been to Road America.
No.
Nope, neither of us have been to Road America. You've played it on Forza. So neither of us have been to Road America though, but we're pretty excited about it. And the weather's not bad right now. Granted, it's 8:37 in the morning. It's 67 degrees, so it's going to get a little warmer later. But the weather up here hasn't been that bad so far, which is really nice given the fact that Texas, Virginia, New Orleans, we're all hot and humid.
And Sonoma was sleeting.
And Sonoma, yeah, and Sonoma was sleeting and freezing. So California was freezing, but the rest of them were all hot. So it's like we can't win. But it'll be fun. It's gonna be a lot of fun. But first time in Wisconsin for me.
Yep.
First time for you?
Yep.
First time for him in Wisconsin. The cheese capital.
Actually, no, I was here yesterday.
So was I. But anyway.
We're going to meet our friends Zach, and Zach at Road Zach. We're going to have a Zach of a time. So I hope all you Zachs out... Get out of my shot. I hope all you Zachs out there are just really enjoying it. Because we are. I mean, I am. Because I'm a Miniac. No.
Hi,
no,
my name's Ethan.
No.
We're going to gate 6 because the main gate is closed.
I guess we're
Turn left, then turn right.
pretty much here.
Well, is that gate 6? Yep. Yeah, we're not going to have fun if we have to walk down.
Ooh, that would be a perfect angle.
That being said, there's some good spots to get video, though.
Yeah, that hill is sketching on sim. Oh, there goes my hat.
You want to go back and get it?
Yes, I have to get my hat. Here.
He just lost his hat out the window. Run, Ethan, run! I've never seen that happen before.
I don't know how it went off of my
Here,
head
hold the
and-
camera.
and
That's funny.
out of your window. Oh, there's GT4 car.
All right, so we are walking to go find the paddock. Right, Ethan?
Yes.
Because we have no clue where it is. Ethan was trying to do a rolling shot of me walking.
Gotta be cinematic.
That's not cinematic, that's just weird. Up hills anymore.
This is quite the incline.
If we're ever so inclined.
Yeah, I'm holding the camera like pretty level so it shows like the
sounds about right. So we missed the mark last night when they brought the trailer in, so they have to move it over a lot further than we thought. That's racing.
Alright, hey, the other thing, guys, when we got all the beams up in the awning, before we go up, we'll have to put the cars out, so because it's windy. That thing will be a parachute that we won't be able to.
All right, looks like we got everything set up so far. We still need to unload the 37 car. We got the 2 TCA cars unloaded. And Ethan's over here putting gas in the 60 car. He's taking gas out of the 60 car. So we're getting it ready for tech, right?
Yep, he's a little late, but there's a switch in the rear to turn the fuel pump on for the pump out. Just taking all the fuel out, putting air in the tires, so we can go through tech.
Ah, okay. So we gotta get everything through tech. Are we late to tech?
No.
No? You said it was a little late. I mean, late in the day.
It's just good to go ahead and get it done as we go, instead of having
Okay.
to pile up.
Makes sense,
10 cars in line.
Yeah. All right, well, here's the winning car from VIR. I like how that rhymed.
VIR.
The winning car from VIR. Oh, wow, where'd this come from? So apparently it started raining.
Wow. Put that, grab that, roll it in.
Looks like that's a wrap for now.